Hi, I am Beginner Driver. In this video, I will introduce the car accessories I am using. Some of them improve the safety of driving, some enhance convenience, some add comfort, and others are only useful in rare cases, but I suggest you have one. For driving safety. Blind spot mirror. It's useful when you're parking to see the parking line easily. For the circular mirror, I use it when I stop the car to check if there's a motorcycle beside me. Retractable rear view mirror wiper. It improves visibility during heavy rain. You can wipe off water droplets during traffic light stops. It's retractable, so you can also clean the side mirror on the passenger side. Digital rear view mirror. It dramatically increases the field of view. I know better what's happening behind my car. I've made a full review of the pros and cons of digital rear view mirrors. Click here to watch if you haven't watched it. For comfort. Windshield sun shade. It's really useful if you're parking outdoors in hot weather. It also reduces car interior wear by minimizing sunlight exposure. Cooling fan. It's useful in the first few minutes after starting the car when the air conditioning hasn't fully circulated. You can also install one in the back seat if there's no air conditioning outlet there. For convenience. Car phone stand. For beginner drivers. If your car doesn't have a built-in navigation system, a phone stand is invaluable for navigation. I recommend one that positions the phone closer to the driver. A phone stand using a suction holder on the windshield might be too far away, making it difficult to quickly check navigation details, like which exit to take on the motorway. Card extender. It's useful when entering or exiting a parking lot, especially at entrances or exits requiring a 90-degree turn with little room for correction. It allows less precise steering because the extender gives you more error tolerance. Phone number plate. For temporary parking, it's suggested to leave your phone number. This way, someone can call you if your car is blocking the road. Cigarette lighter socket adapter. You can connect your dash cam, other car accessories, and charge your phone with it. Car sun visor pocket. You can store light items like pens, paper, gas station discount membership cards, and sunglasses for easy access. 4 rare use cases. Window breaker and seatbelt cutter. I hope I never need to use it, but it could be crucial in an emergency to quickly exit the car. Some newer cars might not have easily accessible mechanical buttons for doors and windows. Jump starter. I've used it once when I forgot to turn off the car's interior lighting, which drained the battery. I keep it at home rather than in the car to avoid battery damage from high temperatures. It can also serve as a small energy source for car camping. If you find this video useful, hit the subscribe button, comment, like, and share. I would be very grateful for your support.